comes to life. Burn it down to the ground. What about the first time I watch our channel? Subscribe, like and share. Take what you take and go do what you do, is it? So watch a movie and tell me what you think. Let's go. Somebody come here, someone want just some lucky door. I not in the house too much because I know why your man come across me, but you good to in here too.
So what is for now?
I feel baby.
So what do for me?
Hello. You tell say, just for your shop long time and I never try to open it back again. You see if you open the shop and the baby jump out, I don't ask back for your shop again. So you want to know. That for the baby, you see whoever going in your shop,
I never ask who they going in my shop, I ask want me to film it. So nobody business about who are going in my shop.
I don't
I tell your baby mother already, you know? Like nothing can change that for that, you know?
Yes. Yes, that I hear that now change. And me will play my part as a good father. But me not want in the mix up. Me not give you money.
That good, make it stay.
Me woman want money, you know. Who you think that she rich?
You said that good, make it stay.
Alright.
Have a nice day.
But you alright though? As a sister-in-law, I'm going to give you money one at a time when the money comes.
You not just for me and him no day.
No.
So okay, sister-in-law come
No,
in.
when I say sister-in-law.
Have a nice day.
Ex-sister-in-law.
Then that's why you put in the X honey.
Yeah man.
Later.
Well anyway, where baby there?
Have a nice day.
Where baby?
Papa antigen.
You must have the pick the right hand.
The baby there for my auntie, there for antigen.
No, but me like him put the right hand.
Antigen daughter have a birthday party and she's there.
You see today? That means this is what she had to call it bad.
Go on here.
Alright.
Come on, like for them to pick the cat.
I'll try you my breed, you know. Small, you know. I'll try you my breed.
So I can't breed him, I'm not too late.
No, I know what that is gone late. Me not family one.
You're not too late, I can't breed him.
I'll try you my breed.
Do it like royalty and keep it in our family.
Now this is royalty and I work.
Anyway, sister. So you say breed now, you're good?
Yeah, I'm going to go on it. Yeah. This side and one. I'm going to put the drink to juice and play.
Alright, dear thing. You say you don't have no responsibility for your love on the road. Wait till they hold you and breed you. You don't want to breed again. Alright, I go sleep.
Sister.
Oh, what?
What? You can't get 1,000 at time money, I just get.
You not hear the man, hello me pick the money. You not hear the man pinpoint for you pick the money. Me shop lock on him so me not get none. Come out of my room.
You don't gamble and
Listen to me now. No, not chatting to me, say get out of my room. So come out now, come out now. Pull up my door back at you. Ah, can you say a man pick the money, you still come on. What make you say so?
Oh.
You understand you come here 6 days ago, you know? 6 days ago you come here. No. You take my money out of my bag.
Girl, me not know with you.
And you take my money out of my bag, girl. Me know say you take my money out of my bag. Cause my money missing and I come back a yard. Normally if you left the yard in the day, you come back in the night, you don't come back in the yard. Girl, you take my money out of my bag. You say, anyway, if I find my money, you can give me a fine, you can give me a picnic for mine. You go carry my money, can give me, I'm done talk with you. Me say, yeah, I go carry my money, can give me and stop watch me and my baby father and for your business that. And not for your business that. Carry my money, come give me. You're not gonna like when me I go there. So me pick me out and me don't want to say anything to you. But
girl,
carry my money. Look, girl, why you carry my money, come give me. You need to find a man who can mind you. I need me think them alone. Carry my money, come give me, little girl. Daddy, she need to carry my money, come give me.
I don't sound good enough. I'm in a go on or something. You get me?
Daddy, the girl don't come here 6 years ago.
Listen to me, a roadside.
She take my money. I want my money.
Go on go inside, I want to talk about something decent, they are better than that. So now they're on the roadside,
she now come over because she take my money.
Do not.
She now say 40 because I have to get back my money from you. Come on, babe. How was school today? You enjoy school today?
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you do at school today?
Mama song. Sister, I write the song.
What?
Girl, you have to go on top on the road.
What do you mean by me never have to go on so? You know say I'm me alone with my picnic. Father hardly give me things. And I can't believe I really coming up and take out my money for me. So how me go get back my money?
I go try to make you get it back.
Sit down with me at her. Me and your sister. We don't need to the thief for one another things. Anything you want, you ask me for. And stop talking little careless boy, I can't give you nothing. You don't want that. You want to end up like me? When man breed and gone left him picnic? Eh? You want to end up like me?
No, sir.
You need to settle them yourself, man, and go look work. Me have to work for my picnic, you know? Me have to work for my picnic. When the father can't say enough for you, me can't say enough for me. So you have to know what you do. And me not go talk to you again. I'm going to want back my money. Me don't know what you go do, but I'm going to want back my money.
I go try to get it back.
Do that and make me get back my money. And my friend call link me. So you have to just, when she come, you know that go because she depend on her way I come already.
No, me go and I'm going to say.
Do you right, but just know say me want back my money.
Girl, somebody tell me you're too mean and too stingy with money. That's your baby father left you. And gone there with one rich woman. And that's why time that I'm take you and put it to good use.
You have the heart to sit up on my bed and tell me say, me stingy with money. And that's why my baby father left me and there with other girl. Because I'm stingy with money. So that girl authority to teach me money.
You know, get authority.
Listen, me and my baby father business and my business that fear. So come out of me and my baby father business and the fear business. And that girl, come out of my room, come out. Because that girl authority to teach me money. You're a thief, you're a little thief. Come out of my room. Come out. You're a little thief. That's all me know. Come out, you're a thief, you. Damn thief. You don't know you're a thief, so. What happened? Come here, wait for you. I can't come here, man. You good? I mean, I'm a dirty sister at it a while ago, man. A girl thief, I can't put on no hand in no thiefy. I can't buy no new clothes and she no thiefy. By tomorrow morning, I see her in a them. Me don't know what, and I'll tell me about that's why my baby father left me. I don't know what do are. Anyways, this is what I get to talk to you about. You can't go on today. Girl, you see, the boy fire, you really diss me for sure, you know? Fire diss me, I tell a girl, fire diss me. Because my sister can talk to me anyway in this house here. Fire diss me. But me know, karma. Because that the girl won't pick up no more than me. You know, say a girl flat like bucket cover. She no more than me, but wait. Karma, me cock your ears, baby. Yeah, cock your ears. Karma. Me not say 40. Me I go link it tomorrow. Because me have a plan. Me a made plan something. Alright, my friend. Have a nice day.
Yeah, man, you too.
I go and visit with my daughter.
Alright.
Yeah. Anyways, baby. Alright.
Yeah. Mommy, what do you mean by daddy this year?
You don't understand, you're too young. When you go to school, go take your book here. You're not going to understand what mommy I go through. You understand? So when you go to school and take your book and make mommy proud, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, my baby. And what you learn at school today?
Some.
Song?
Yeah.
Okay. You did enjoy the song?
Yeah.
Alright, my dad.
Yeah.
Alright? What you want to see your birthday?
Huh?
What you want to see your birthday?
I'm just going to tie stuff for my birthday.
Huh?
Going to tie stuff for my birthday.
You want to go to Tides Club for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all you want to do for your birthday?
Yes. I'm going to be too.
You want to go to the beach in the morning? And then you want to go to Tides Club? That's what?
Yes, I'm going.
But then you're not going to go?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, me just stay here go and talk to my daughter and anyways, you know what I say? I want you to do something for me. I'm going to go country with your daddy, go deal with something, so your godmother is going to keep her for the weekend until Monday, okay?
Yes.
Okay, and what do you want me to bring back for you?
A big bar.
You want a big what?
Big truck.
You want a big truck? Okay. Anyways, you can carry on now, yeah? Go on with your godmother.
Come on.
Later, yeah? Mommy love you.
Kiki.
Yeah. Come here.
Yes, if we're going now.
Yeah, girl. For last night, me and Mids, you know. Come here, I messed up the whole night last night and I met. You see, fire? You will do anything in this world for you people. Anything. So me have a plan. You did tell me say you have house down at St. Elizabeth. You remember? St. Elizabeth far enough. I'm go make a take my daughter for the weekend and carry down there. Yeah?
Alright.
And you see, I go make it like a small call him and do some, you know, like somebody capture him. You see me, so I thought like somebody capture my daughter and they go on money.
Yeah.
You see me, and me I go share the money there. Cause he not do nothing for me, girl. He not do nothing for me. I pick the alone, but we have a plan for him. Can this me remember this me for bucket cover, girl, you know.
But now this my friend and get to win.
Alright. So when you take clear for me, I'm gonna go call him. I remember some do drama school and I'm good at it and I make the ball. I say, why? Girl, I'm good at it. So, you know what I say? You're supposed to pick up Leah and carry her home. So when you pick up Leah and carry her home, you come here. You see me?
Alright, just make
So me can say the baby did out in the yard. And you see me? But you know when we do anything in this world for him, so we shall have to accomplish. That is it, my friend. So you can come back later when the baby come. You show it up on your phone and you do the one up some forward and pick her up. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my baby.
Alright.
Later. Me call you and make you know when she come.
Yeah, man.
Tiffany!
Hi.
You see baby?
No, Sam.
Girl, but me tell her for me I got ready, me tell her for what the baby for me know the baby can't sign.
Mommy never
The
did
baby not in the yard, girl, what me I go do? What me I go do, me can't sign him and pick me.
So,
Jesus
hold on.
Christ. Me look everywhere, me can't find him and pick me.
You sure
What
say
me I
that,
go
Abby?
do? Him baby gone! He's gone! He love him! Why? 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 Call him for me!
Where my number?
Why? 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 Why?
Come.
Where daddy there? Daddy!
I'm gonna look for you.
Call daddy for me, call him.
Why?
Why?
See daddy here. Daddy, come this up.
Why? Daddy, baby there.
Where is your table?
Me don't know what we baby.
We should be able to miss you.
You're very daughter.
Why?
You must not have no sense. Hey, there's a sitting about. Where's it?
Me don't know, mommy. Me don't see him coming
Warm tea,
Me
baby.
tell you watch the baby, me are gonna hear it and the baby can't find.
But me never there.
Can't find. Califana. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Baby. Baby, God. I can't miss that all.
Wow, go on.
You baby, miss up. You baby, miss up.
How come? I lie out. What kind of John, man?
Baby, talk to me. We can't talk.
He said, baby, me come on, me can't find him.
How come you can't find the baby? Did I drop off the baby since even going on?
What?
Didn't I drop off the baby this evening there?
I'm telling me since I'm watching me, I gotta run and come back and you know there.
So instead of watching baby there, watch the baby sister?
Me say me this
Oh God.
Oh, yo, but that's summer driver come. I'm calling you. But that's summer forward.
Alright.
Why? Baby, don't come back and keep me say, oh God.
You can't say that.
Oh God. Why? Why?
Sister, that one son of man.
Baby. Why?
Sister, no worry yourself. I go out and go check on the neighbor dance. No worry yourself. Just no worry yourself, here.
Why? Hello. Emily.
Yeah.
What happened?
Nothing there.
Girl, me say, what my plan, you come right through. One of them fall for. Yes, girl, they fall for you. Anyways, that the one they send there, anyway, from Sava come link me. So, when you link me, I go text you or you call my phone and change your voice and tell them how much money I have to pay to get back in that and no police and anything there.
Yeah, man.
Just change your voice and say, you know, say, I'm here for daughter. I have to pay such and such money to get her. You see me? Just change it, rough it up. Yeah. Alright, my girl, just pick up yourself, you see me?
Yeah, man, you too.
When me text you and you send off a call
look
same
up
time.
here.
Nah, man. Alright.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Who that?
I'm me. Open the door. Open the door.
Here come.
Ready?
Who that?
I'm here. Look at that. How that man?
Me I come.
Open the door.
Girl, I can't call
Got
her.
it straight.
In the door. Call her.
Where's that going now?
Baby, miss her.
How come baby missing?
I left the baby with my sister go to the road, left the baby and I'm we can't find the baby. Want to road place so me can't
Where you
find
go?
the baby.
Where's you go?
Down a shop. The baby want Lasco. I'm go buy one Lasco, one big Lasco. And I can't find the baby.
The baby, I don't want baby go left for type. You tell her to stay in here?
No, I tell her to stay with her auntie.
Where her auntie there?
I can't. I tell her.
Carla, what's she there?
Tiffany!
Tiffany down the road, Tiffany walk up and look like a mad smart, Tiffany there.
You gonna look for your baby.
So, oh, you know, oh, that look for you, what you do yesterday?
I tell her someone in the whole place and look for your baby. I can't find the baby. I can't find the baby.
Strange.
You can't find.
How much time I tell you already, you know? So do not let the baby at. Can you see me someone like this?
Leave the baby with my sister fire.
Alright. Yeah.
Me not leave the baby on your own.
So you see nobody not here suspicious for what they are lurk around the place? You see nobody a search on the place and lurk around the place?
My father gonna look for him and my sister gonna look.
Because you have to be more vigilant, you know. You're not very vigilant, you can't left nothing to time and now because of all the things that go on the white market, the black market, the pink market, all the market, them things that go on everything I sell out and now. Like Jamaica, everything I sell out. What's in it?
Hello? Yo, who this here? You need to know who this. So if you want to see a picnic again, bring $2 million.
Where we get it from? Where we get it from?
If you know where you go get it from.
We want to picnic, you know.
Don't talk 2 million by 3 days time. If you not getting dead.
Yo, mama. Yo, we not no money.
So me don't talk 2 million in 3 days later.
Oh God.
You know the device. You listen good? You listen the device a while ago? You hear the device? You're the bad if you listen to the device.
He say, yo, you want $1 million?
What am I going to do still? I have to go up on the road. I have to go up on the road and we go try so much money we can come up. Listen me now, calm down. Listen me now. Mama, listen now. They want money, right? Right? But then I said we can't call the police. You know, so if we don't call the police, you know, he say $1 million. We can get the money, let the police go feed it, find them, and burn them skin, burn them skin. Burn their skin. You must say nothing about police. You hear that a while ago? He say $1 million. So we go make police burn their skin. We call the police right now. We go call the police. Let's listen in the car. Right. Tell her about. They tell me discount, man. You know something.
Yo. Hello? Let me tell you something now. Okay, I must take man for that. No police involved. No police.
So
3 days time. 2 million.
You can't get one.
Discount with. Yo, no police. 2 million 3 days time. Later.
No, sir. Supposed to count more borrows. Borrows of money. This is top bad. It's a bad. But you see, when you go for that pit, they will go find out. Oh, anybody, when they go get the money, but try. Alright? You know, much money can find it too. Mama, no. You can't work out your body, son, and the money. No money at all.
I work out my body. I send my picnic to school.
And me a spend the money. How you say I spend?
You hardly spend.
Me spend my money.
But you will give money for gas school. You give me money for gas supermarket fame. No. You not do that.
But mama say
if I did not do that, my picnic on the miss come out of a gas shop go buy in Alaska.
I'm not that tight. But you have man.
Me not have no man live here.
No, but the man go.
Put you off
No, the man go and he come. Me no want buy things that
my man can't make life easy for you.
No,
make your picnic alright.
No,
you can't make because of money and buy grocery for your picnic.
But here what?
But me no want that for me head. Me just want back my picnic. So come on for that right now. My picnic more.
But you know, me go find $1 million and you find 1 million because I know your consequences be left for your Kevin and my care more than finding whole of the money. No, listen now.
Nobody would go on.
I bring the baby here, come here and save 10 finger, 10 toes.
If they didn't buy things to the picnic, them would have to go down and no supermarket to get the stuff in a picnic. So they come stick this for me, they on YouTube.
But I am doing my part.
You have to go find the money for your picnic, come on.
I'm doing my part.
You have to go find the money, because if you don't find the money for me get back my picnic, you and your woman in a misery up there, let me tell you.
Listen.
You don't talk to
any little man, right. Come in your corner. You whisper and then either until we find $1 million.
Me say you go find your picnic.
I cannot find $1 million.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
We go try.
Yeah, they with the richest girl.
No,
about the community.
She's not rich.
Yeah, I go find
She's not rich.
Listen to me, no man. Listen to me. Yeah, I go find the money to
She's not dead right now. She's not dead.
And where you in her?
No,
if she's not dead, where you in her?
She's not dead too.
Okay.
You
need to get money.
We go try. Listen up. Calm down. I don't make money. I don't have a money machine. Money no grow up and
cheap. Money I have now.
I don't know much money. I'm not going to my yard. Go check up my saving pan. Because I only live from day to day. And I look at money. No what you care.
So
watch
you
it
never
boss.
take look at the money where you put in on the savings fund come buy grocery for your picnic.
No, the penny
Look
alright.
into this.
The penny
Look-
alright.
Look
Okay,
into
me
this.
me buy everything
If you
in our
use a
school.
gas supermarket.
No, listen.
Listen,
You have you that in the
you
video.
listen.
You have
If you use a gas supermarket and it's a gas supermarket and I bring the things in here for the picnic, would I forget shop for buy that stuff?
Yeah, what?
No.
I take care of the kids. I enjoy.
What you do? What you call it?
Alright. Lunch money straight
Clothes
through.
and be buy clothes.
No,
You not buy clothes. You
Listen.
not buy clothes.
Listen.
You take clothes for your look ugly woman when she go overseas
Listen.
and give me picnic and me dash for them.
Them
bum.
that Nubian clothes.
Me no want
Fresh.
them. No girl
Gucci.
man, me no want.
Alright, anyway, me not done for that. Me done for the talking then now. Listen me.
Me pick them me want.
That is not the
Me
argument at
pick
all.
them me want.
So, why never can the baby go shop with them?
What you mean when me never care to be more or you go shop for make me picnic get something for eat?
That people love run up and down. You
Stop
can't run
asking
fast
why,
on him.
stop asking
In that
why.
run, go shop with that run, come back. You know fast like a sheep. Me I tell you what she stand. She
Let's talk in and try go get the money
But
for the
no,
picnic
listen me.
come out.
But me I say to you too. I know what I'm capable of doing. I'm gonna try my best, but you have to help too. You have to help
If
too.
me not have it where you want me do.
You have to help too.
If me not have it where you want me do.
You have to help too. Alright, so anyway, I get a call and I'm going to hear what I say now. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man. No, I don't want your custard. I feel like I don't want your custard. I don't want your custard.
Yeah. Well, with a Japanese woman, I can't be tools. Not human going here. I'm not paying not even $1. Everything I have to find. Watch me. Yeah, I find out where I money coming out, I find room. Yeah, I get money. Yeah, I get money. Yeah. May I come? May I come? May I come here?
No, me.
Oh God, may I
Check
do?
everywhere.
Oh, baby. Oh God, baby.
Stop.
Baby.
Me search everywhere. Me do cardboard.
They call me.
Who call you?
I said me have to pay how much money to make him baby.
Much money?
Oh God, his father go on the money for me to get him. He said we can't involve no police or it's
Now go try
go
make
kill
some
the
link.
baby. Alright.
Now go try make some link.
Alright, sister. Go on there, I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh God. Oh God, my baby.
Sister, see two grand and can't put
What is I
one.
gonna do?
I put you and put towards it.
2 million to get back your baby. What is I gonna do? Thanks anyways.
Girl,
Oh
you try to
God.
find something else.
Oh
Now go
God.
down
Alright. Can't back what's up with you? Can't want to go give me a picnic and drink all off. Nice.
But if you think of it, who your friend then? In jealous over here now, and they can take your picnic.
My friend over here, there is a man of a baby, a man call me.
Man call you.
Yes, it's a man call me, so we have to pay the money. Whoa.
Yeah, no, me can't think of this. Kiki.
Yeah, come in, my friend there. My friend will take my baby. So my friend can't take my baby, get my baby. My baby miss.
Me have run on my room. Me have
Alright. Alright. Oh God. I said, we get a minute. Put the store, what is that? The 2 million. What is that? Yeah, two.
We can go, we take a drink.
Yeah, that is it. And drink a rum. Because if I drink your rum, I'm ball more. Girl, I don't want me get the tears from them. If you have them, I come. That's a fire. But babes, that's not babes to me. It's when them come. It's not back clear. Come here. Come here, Nancy.
Is that for the girls we have to see though?
And you know how we do at school. Why? wait, me get the money. And the motor about me, I have to put half and him put half. Me say, if you ever have to put half, you and your baby and your woman up there now go live in peace. You must pay everything. And I don't talk with.
Sis, I'm sorry for what going on. I'm a niece, I love him. So if people them say I go on.
Yes, so we have to pay how much hard, million and how much hard to get what my daughter.
Make sure I did have money for you help us.
Don't worry yourself, man. Your father go deal with it here. I can't call no police, no, none of them people that I can't involve in it. And just me and my baby father won't go help me with the money. Otherwise, I can't call no police. Then they tell me say they go kill me, pick me. I have to carry the money for by now and Friday. I don't know what I'm going. But if father work for this, I just have to go and lie down and relax.
Alright then, I go sit in there. I go in a room and see if I can try to get some money bail.
Hello?
What?
You good?
Yeah, I'm there.
Girl, me say man, I hunt for the money, brother. You just a hunt for the money, dog. I'm gonna wait for them to carry up. Of course. Then you want back in pay me. You have to hunt for, of course.
What you tell him?
I'm tell him 250,000.
150, yeah. 500.
500,000. That's very good, girl. No yourself. So you're good differently.
Yeah, man, me check up one night, you know.
Alright, my girl. But that's why you call it more than this. You know, no, don't get it.
You can call it. Wait, me will have call link in, but me I deal with it. You can call link me.
Alright, me go forward.
Alright.
Yeah.
What is that?
I'll find this.
Huh?
You're 3 night here, so I'll just fly. If you have dogs, you can catch it too.
Can play with it?
Outside?
Yeah. Wow, we can light up.
Yeah. You can't go light up outside, so you have to stay in here.
Emily! What? I'm there.
We're gonna take this one.
Hey!
See mommy here. Now, over mommy. Wait, that's not open. Go and go over mommy.
You don't miss me? Hmm? You don't miss me?
Yeah. Yeah. What melodies?
Mother have gone from the road to do something. To come back.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's the only thing there.
Yeah, baby, I cannot miss mommy. Do you not miss me?
Yeah. Yeah, put it out. Why?
Anyways, what going, girl?
We're gonna play it.
Play with this here? Mommy soon come.
We're gonna take you.
I'm not going to fair again here.
We're gonna take you.
Look out, pray, tap,
We're gonna take you.
what you do. So what? I'm going.
You get half your money already, you know get the next half. But they think you have money, you know no money, man. You know rich like how you talk. You know me?
Yeah, money.
Would I get it long time? You may do that for a wait.
Oh, yourself, man. You have money. So maybe come on, I'm going to cut out that.
Yeah, man, you get your cut out time, man. No, say, hold on, let me understand it. Hold on. Hello! Keep down the knife for me. What are you doing? Keep the knife down. Yeah. Girl, you think legit, man. You see me? I'm going to get the money and the money will go come through. You see me? So you say to go on.
I'm really so about that, man. But how will you even come up with that idea?
Yeah, just like easy yourself, but I know I'm going to have my head for my brain. I made for my body, man, you know.
Yeah, man.
And for me, sister, when I had enough, you know. Everything you want in everything you want in You don't have to worry yourself, girl. The police not going to involve.
Sneaky.
Yeah, man, I tell you, you don't have to worry yourself. The police not going to involve. Just not make me baby go on the road. You're good.
No, I'm not going to pick up on you. know me like police already.
Everything legit. The police not going to involve. You see me? But my sister and I had, man, every time I go on the phone, I see that. Come to me, boy. If I did have the money, I would have helped you. Help me, Raf, you know, do nothing more than thief my money. Me I tell you. She right, anyways, come on for that, but I got angry with that boy. Because he not give me nothing. He buy the things and he pick me and put the money in my hand. So I got angry him and I got share money. Yeah, I buy now tomorrow a deadline, you know, I get it before tomorrow and I love him pick me. So I go get it before tomorrow. I don't even care where I want to get it from. I could have said you want to go sell part-time or thief. You have to get the car home give me. Yeah. Girl, when I put down the tears, them and I tell him what going on and I'm bad. Yeah, yes, he believe everything I say. Yeah.
Then you have to believe him. I say, girl, I used to act in you to be a thing.
So yes, you're going to dress and you know.
My mother may wait and come back to you.
I forgot to tell me that she gone and I go and leave.
You probably calling Kenya and leave my still.
Yeah. Just make sure my daughter good on it, please.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes,
I'm around there look serious prank out there, serious joke. I don't want my daughter get kidnapped.
You don't have to worry.
Yeah, man, make sure she good.
Your daughter for me, daughter same.
Alright, mom.
Kiki! Wait, hold on. You want to treat a good one here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You eat already?
Yeah.
You feed ya? From when?
Yeah.
You sure say alright?
Yeah.
Make sure you know why everybody I look for you. You sure say alright?
Yeah.
See you now, Miss Daddy.
Yes, but mommy come here every day.
You sure say Mama come here every day?
Yes.
See you now, Miss Daddy.
Yes.
See you now, want to see Daddy.
Until I 3 days before I come home.
So you don't come around here, when you come back around here, you go come look for me?
No.
Why?
I don't know why.
You not come look for your auntie?
No.
Alright then. See you good?
Yeah.
What's the name, sir? Oh, we are dope, so. And by the way, we are fine up here.
Chill, my sister come up here. I mean everything on that chat, but I'm not going to say nothing at time. I'm just going to keep it a secret. I'm going to fight, cut out tight, you see me?
Alright. But we have to go to the dog talk about this, so we can't talk about it, baby.
Alright then.
So come here. Stay there, don't come outside. Don't come outside, you know.
Alright, just
You can't give me a 5,000.
Half 5, but half me I get, you can get 2.
Alright, then me say 50.
Alright, you don't tell the niece, then.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell it now.
Jesus. Boy, your father sister come on here. You give it to know. Yo. Wake up, man.
What is that?
If you come, make her come here for posing up. Oh, no, ask us something. Oh, you want to know? You feel like boy come up here. It's so fast.
I'm going to watch my niece.
I like police, and see you are in farm. I like your farm, neither. Huh? Yeah, that's yes, so no, because you know one, they're not this right now.
That's true, I'm not telling nobody.
You know, tomorrow we are get the money. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm not kill her or nothing. Just true, I know I mash up my plan. And I first me I see 500,000 in my name, so I can mash up that. You see? So tomorrow you will get to go about your business.
Yeah, beg you, do please. Just let me go do. Me just not want to tell you do. Me not tell nobody at all. Please just let me.
What? That's my time for later. Don't talk. Just want to go get later too.
Listen now, please. If me sleep out tonight, think my boyfriend go lick me or something. Please, me can't sleep out tonight. Me I beg you do it, me go kill me with lick.
Yeah, worry about boyfriend. I worry about my money. Don't talk.
Babes, wait, no babes. Come in and call us again. But, so me use it, but you might have to defend it. What are going for the baby?
They say we have to get the money. If we don't get the money, we can't get the baby, and they say we can't call the police if they go kill her.
But here we are going. Me I try everything right now. As somebody me know, me mass up and take some money from. See ya? And that still not catch me. This is not $500,000. This is just 70,000 outside. Right? You know what I do that money here? I go down a station and find 2 of the police them. Me now make them load it up and give them this money here. And I know that them will find my daughter.
So we not figure enough station.
Listen me,
What they can't listen.
Listen me I say. Me I go down there.
The one they kill me pitney.
Listen me
So
I
what
say.
kind of station you talk about?
Me have 2 police brethren with pipe.
Bush and grass
Me nah,
and years.
no, listen up.
Bush and grass
Me say me,
and years.
they nah see me go down there. Watch and see. Don't worry yourself. Cause me can't get the $1 million or the $2 million but they want. Me cannot get it. So me now sit down and
What
find
with your
out
woman? She can't help you.
she nah no money. True, you see things you know, nobody know what go on. All you see things and things, the money not did there.
Listen to one thing nothing.
So hear me and say now, what me I go do? What you have to do? You sit down here and crying like everything's all
When me
well.
stress, me have to sit down and colour the book. Me stress, me want me pick the comeback home.
All
And you
right.
dey talk about police
Make a man.
You know, hear the man say we
Make me deal with it. Don't do nothing more. Just can't you call your book? Me go deal with it. Me nah give them 1 red cent. And member say, me have to find out who have my daughter before the day done. I watch and see. Me have them 2 you then go find it you with this money. Watch and see.
You go on, yeah? Go on. Make nothing wrong with me pitney and yeah, your woman we know. Hello, Emily.
Yeah, why please?
Here what? Change your plan. Here, me I call link you right now.
Alright. Hello. The phone come here. Give mommy a second. The phone come. Give mommy a second. The phone come. Soon come. Yes, a girl. You know what I'm saying? I say my phone come. Close the door. Close the door. That's a girl. You know, so go and get the money. You don't get the money. I don't know money. I'm have to just take the baby and carry back home and call it a day because you don't get the money.
But look how long I have been 3 whole a day, yo. And you know when you stay in hard for younger. And every time I'm in there, I have to stay with myself.
I understand. Remember, I have a friend. And if you don't come through, it just don't come through. So I'm have to take the baby and come back home, I no work.
Alright, anything. You can go and play.
Yo. Where you there? Let me see Sadia.
No worry about shit.
What me baby?
The baby alright.
Let me see more of him baby.
You so know you can't see baby right now.
What?
Yeah, my friend. Listen all this what I say. I'm a friend now, but me know want to do this, but the 500 them all need it, brother. And it'll come like a play thing on the depend.
Where you go get it from?
You go off with Jimmy.
You not happy?
You go off with Fanny, cause you gone, your sister gone, and the baby gone. No, go back till me get the money.
You really betray me.
Maybe I want the money. Want the money and come along about 3 days and have a baby.
For my daughter.
I go through hell with her.
For my daughter.
Cannot you not go see her?
What you do ya?
No, sister. No, wake up in this. Wake up in this.
Your friend. You call my friend. I'll see that.
You know for chat, you know? You know for chat, tap it nice. Yeah, contact boyfriend.
What are you getting 500,000 from?
I'll interview you now.
One way or the other, I will get it. See? Kidnap your fake, kidnap your picnic. Kidnap me for true now. If me not get that money then, no see back again.
So let me go sell some mango and see if I can get the money to come here.
No, they don't know waiting again, you know, wait long. Wait too long now.
So I can't see my daughter.
There's no senior daughter.
Who wants my
Don't
daughter?
talk. 9 letters. By the way, when I treat my friend, so Mom make a gift for Sarah one time. But see after that, you know, I see him again till me get my money. But I'll get you water same time too. By the time I come back with the water and the most good.
Get two of them.
No matter.
Don't worry yourself about that, man. Come talk to your mother. One game we have played. One game. Now we'll go to the door and come back. Now we'll go to the door and hide and come back. Stay with me here. Alright. I'm gonna buy water and come back. Make sure so when I come back everything done.
Wanna tell you?
Baby, I'm not the police.
Alright.
And take the time and pull it through that. Listen. Police for mommy. Yeah, police for mommy. Police. Yes, sir. Yeah, my baby. Thanks.
How you find out?
Then call me and say me have to come up with them. Come and tell them so we never get through the money. I'm gonna go up me and then tie me up.
Come here.
And my daughter fi.
You alright?
Yeah.
What part you did there?
Just time me
Oh, time me up.
girl, one big girl type of me up and him up.
Alright. Come in here. Come in
And
here.
then they never finish your work. Don't say no, I'm not so come. Two of them inside. I don't. Look.
Where are they? Which part they gone? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go do it. Alright, this is alright. I'm gonna do it. Come on, you don't sleep. After Monday, want them money. Eh?
Oh, so you come to kill me.
Brother, me chat, you know.
As a friend, you come
Me
to kill
inform,
me.
you know.
Me inform me, but
me.
you inform for yourself.
No inform for the
You
two,
kidnap
the two
the
away.
three away.
Yeah,
Remember?
but you kidnap your own daughter. You make me
That
keep her up
was
there.
a joke. That was a
you
joke.
take it well.
Remember say, me and you make one joke.
Me can tell
And me
for
tell you, me I
everything
come
want
to
go
care
on.
about them. Me can tell the police them what you do.
Me can give all away.
Me
no
and your
jail
friend and you
them.
come to stab me up with knife and me your friend. What kind of friend you be? Me and your friend, you know. And you come take up knife off of me. And me they come for how much years now? 16 years me and your friend and you come to stab me up, girl. And me and your friend for 16 years now. You come to stab me up for money. Money what don't belongs to you.
Never belong to you neither, but me not deal. Can't deal.
So put on your knife and come here so we talk and we can talk, G. You see me? Come here so brother, me and you make a plan. The plan no work out. Me no get no money, make a plan. The plan no work out. You no get no money and me no get no money. And as a friend, come over here so me talk to you. As a friend, you should do. Come over here with knife to kill me and me and your friend. You go feel it, you know. And me I go feel it, you know. And you go feel it. And you go feel it and me I go feel it. Tell you say you go feel it. And me you come to kill. Call the police, sister. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. No. Yeah, again.
Girl, that makes me an expansive. You know, see how wicked.
You come in my room for talk or you come in my room for say, you know, say wicked and stay upon me. What your problem? What you want?
Oh, you have to kidnap your own daughter.
And you don't say a little bit and chat too much. You know what happened?
Tell me what.
Me say no come dictate me to tell you what. Yeah, me tell you what me want tell you. Me send her around and my friend to make his father give money. And father don't want to give me nothing. And my friend decides to tell me his father not give me no money. His friend decides he want to kidnap a whole away. Just because she want me baby father money. So she kidnap a whole away. Because she want me baby father money. So don't tell me something wicked because you don't know what's happening.
But me know what happened though.
What happened?
Just a come from for some part your friend tell me the full story.
Okay.
So I plan to kidnap the baby to get money from me.
Mm-hmm.
Am I such a stingy man? If you ask me for it, would I give you?
You know,
When me and you them, me I give you money,
not
give you
give
money.
me.
Me give you money left, me give you money right, me
Say
give you money, give you
you're
money,
not
give you money,
give me.
give you money, give you money, give you money, give
You're
you.
not giving it to me. You're not give me it.
Yes, me not give it because we no longer in our relationship. But before that,
But me
as you
feel your
say,
baby
man.
mother can't change.
Mama, me say as you say man, me say As you say man, me say back in ideas. And now,
That are back in ideas.
yes, because
So want me to know in the days.
as me say me want something, you say And then when you say you want money, me say So that time we did do something. So we did work with it. So make it on. Do so, but now that's
But
different.
now that you plant and he grow and the baby come
Yeah.
you're supposed to give me
I mind he.
Okay.
Baby. Me minding the baby. We have no longer. Listen, it's a contract, you know. When we sign on the line.
You're not
I take care of my picnic. You can't say that about me. I give you money to maintain it. But why should I spend money for you, man, not in a relationship?
Me and your baby mother.
Yes.
Can that change?
No.
Can that change?
That not change.
Okay.
But what you doing out there with the different guys, can that change?
What me I do with different guy? We know about me.
Listen up.
Remember, you know, you're a lucky man, you know.
No, me say,
Remember, you can't come out, you know. Because your woman lock your in, you know.
Yeah, me hearing that.
So you can't come out.
Wait, me can say something?
We don't want to say.
Oh, you night now. Oh, you want that though? Come.
No, me just want to say something.
Yeah.
So, you left. Me don't understand this and at all.
Me and your
Because
sister not there again.
That no say you should still a give money.
That me
Why?
a try to say.
Why
You
should I
see what
do
me a
it?
try to say? At
Why?
least you have sense and see what me a
But
try
you
to
should
say.
continue.
Because remember, you know, me they are cocomelon free and he come bring
No.
me.
Me not
My
believe the part there.
No, listen up.
You should still a give money.
You have ex.
For yourself.
You have ex.
Me my ex them give me money.
Well, if your ex them is not really. Do you give them something too?
So you try to say, them not understand.
When they say see the money, yeah. You know what come next? Me know you.
Me
know
run.
You run. You run, man.
Yeah.
But you run. Me a Gina.
You
You a
need to
Gina.
give, you have to-
But
No,
I
but
your pick
really,
if our ex them a idiot to
No,
give
no,
her,
no.
if our ex them a idiot
But
to
you
give her
know-
money and then
You
I
know
get
so
it.
what they do really and truly. It is illegal.
Why illegal?
What?
No, if you kidnap some false accusation, say kid, I should not report your station.
Me
But
no
it's-
say wrong did they so, but
But what me I say,
That
anyway, we don't see what you're dealing with, but my advice to you, do not pull that prank again. Because you know what happen? There's a story when the cow, when the boy cry wolf. If them cry wolf, wolf, when the wolf come for real, nobody turn up. So what if I'm for real now? I'm not going to show up, you know, because I got things I see and give me
If you don't
happy.
want to show up, you don't show up, man. I feel people.
No, but me I tell you, say me, I do my part.
You
Do you
still,
want me to take it to
you
my
not do your part.
You want
You
to
see
take it
them
to
like
me?
me.
No, me not gonna mind you. Me I tell you, me not gonna mind you. Can me go court then now? Can me go court? Cause me not gonna mind you.
sister no can go
Me and you not married.
me
Me
not
don't
gonna
mind you.
Me not got no court and no boy not give me no $2,000 a month for no picnic.
Me not mind you. Cause no me a wine you. I know me a paint and prime, you know
So you
me.
didn't wine me before.
That a before.
And you didn't bring the belly.
And I give you money that
So
time.
the belly are before your baby
But me
still
give
there.
money
The
that
baby
time,
are before the baby still there. Which one?
Listen, no, I take care of the baby. I take care of
Remember,
responsibility.
say, I'm a baby stay with.
Alright.
Yes, so I
Let me ask,
give
hold on
them
now. Give me a
money.
chance to talk.
Go walk.
Let me ask you a
Go look,
question.
walk, my
You give me
friend.
10 grand every month.
No, not every week. Every week I give you 10 grand.
Sister, you give me 10 grand every month. You be able to go to school.
I take the baby to school.
Yeah, you bring him
I
back
take
school,
the
you
baby
give
to
him
school.
money.
No. I pay for lunch to the baby.
You pay for lunch machine.
Every week I pay.
Listen to me.
Don't-
Give me daughter money to go to school
You
every
now give her
morning.
no money because me give her money too.
You
She
know,
has
go
saved money.
supermarket none tall.
No, you're joking. You're joking. I drive every man go to market and my daughter love to drink porridge a man in time. If you get him porridge, he say when they look out, they look at egg and say it's salt. She don't eat it, she dash out the door. So me have to make sure so me get her something solid in my man if she go to school. So anyway, me not a long time.
When you're eating it, salt though, it is sweet yo.
When me eat what?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? When me eat what?
Let me you what?
You give me egg to eat?
You need salt though.
No, you never give me no egg. Me make my own porridge. Me and God look out something give me but me not eat
You
it
never
on one side.
mm-hmm.
Me not eat it. I never eat it. You think me eat it? She actually eat it. Ask her.
I'm in a business about them.
Ah, she eat it. She put her weight again.
Are you
But
eating?
no, she eat it.
Are you there, me?
Me see you.
No, she eat it.
You eat it.
Me say.
What are you?
Ah, your sister eat it.
What are you?
I shall breed up, you know. I shall breed up.
What are you?
But more time your sister fry it.
Me
And
say you like royalty and put in our family.
I should have breed them for the egg them.
Come on.
You're
You
alright.
damn piece of shit.
We go over there and go check your friend. Your friend say he's nothing but everything go try and go sue you.
You too.
I too want to go back court.
And you too.
Can go say you involved in
And you too.
It
You
one
tell me if you do it.
I know it's a bright
It one alright.
You tell me if you do it.
Hold on,
You
wicked.
piece of shit. Get out here too.
Hold on, wicked like.
Drunk crown.
Man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground, man. In life and living colors. Just here reach to the end of this movie. Click the notification bell, man. Subscribe, you know what I mean? Tell a friend, you know what I mean? Spread it out there. You not do it for a long time, continue to do it. Somebody tell about the channel, you tell somebody else about the channel. But continue. So you want to go 100k. That's that we are trying to work on right now. To broaden the thing, man. You know what I mean? Authentic Jamaican movie. Right now, we're up on the verge of building a liquor restaurant to kind of help with the finance. Because I hear the complaint and you take what you take and you go do what you do. Saying this to say that everything that we do take money. When we don't have the money, it's harder to do what you have to do. We want to do some different type of movie still because I watched an interview the other day, right? Pertaining the Bob Marley show. And then them said there's nobody in Jamaica to fill a certain role in a certain movie. Listen to me. People them there. All different color, different creeds of people there. But there's not a platform for the people them. So if you don't know people, you won't get a chance in this country. Because there's no role set for nobody. So just like everybody who would fight for it, right? Like Bob Marley, one of them who would fight for it. Some get an easier way out, some get an harder way out. I want to tell you something. People out here fight for it same way. And you will not see them. Because there's no opportunity for them to excel them thing forward. So when we come and on, so we are the moving now. We are doing from the grassroots. I tell the truth. So you see any money gonna come through system, it not gonna reach out to the real people then. I tell you. Because them and them friend go scoop up that and do it. You know what I mean? So we know, as filmmakers now, have to go do it for ourselves. So me now, JAMMIWOOD, I try pave that way there. Fight, we are fight a war. No easy and not nice about it. I know that there's a lot of things where to improve. 100% for improvement. You know what I mean? And I know I have the capability to write movies for anybody in the world. I can write movies for any place in the world. But the same thing that come down to. Where is the platform? Where is the income? So we can, because you can be, Jamaica full of actors, full of actresses. You know what I mean? But we don't have to find them yet. But just like you say, what if Bob Marley never get a mic to sing? Peter does never get a guitar for strum? What if Bo never get a field for run pan? You never know. So I want to have the platform there so them can showcase them talent. You know what I mean? So that's why we say JAMMIWOOD studio. You know what I mean? I mean the studio. Turn the camera. We can see it in the back job. See it about us there? That's we are build. That's the first step of it. You know what I mean? After a while we want to land for ourselves. Then we can build the building. You know what I mean? People that say, like Tyler Perry, yeah, I see how we want to do it. The same way we want to get a piece of land, we probably can tear it down and build up, farm up and get something up and running for real, in a real movie business. You know what I mean? And just stroke talk. But you take what you take and go do what you do. So this is the way how I navigate the thing for reaching. So my time, so my movie don't get to rewatch because I'm busy I build the thing. I have to knock it out myself and screw the myself because we don't have the money for do certain things, you know what I mean? So I have to do it. You know what I mean? So people see it and think say it's easy. It's never easy. But we are doing it. You know what I mean? So as we go along, hope you understand what we're trying to do, what we're trying to accomplish. Big up to the people who see the movie them and love them. Give thanks for support, you know what I mean? We do the best we can do, but we can do better. Just like how the world can do better to help who I try to do better. But if nobody help, we go take the time and do it the same way. But give thanks to who I help, you know what I mean? So give thanks to the support team. Big up Perkins, you know what I mean? Miss Williams, Damian. You know, there's a lot of different people. We have to big up Empress G. We have to big up. There's countless of people send a little donation now and then. Give thanks to them because when the time when you send it, we really need it. You know what I mean? So give thanks to the one them again who promise and not fulfill them promise yet. Because we still feel say one idea them will come true. You know what I mean? So there's a promise of comfort to a fool. You know what I mean? But sometimes a fool need to comfort. You know what I mean? So make a way for that. Make it take what you take and make it do what you do now. We're there going to hold it off. So this is just one next movie where we'll do. And I hope that you appreciate it. If anything you find no mistake or no problem in it, please, I apologize in advance. Or you don't watch already still, so we still apologize. You know better. But we are working on everything to make sure it's better. We try to get a camera. We try to get 2 cameras. So I can shoot from 2 different angles better instead of uncut. You know what I mean? Because the uncut swing the camera too much so many times I don't like that. But if you have 2 same camera now, you can cut because you want to do enough work. You know what I mean? We are trying to do more work so you get more entertaining. So just moved to JAMMIWOOD studio, so it's kind of slow building up inside. Well, me I shoot movies, so I want brain and I want body, so I take the time. You know what I mean? So time to come, we can go back to regular. We can get 2 movies per week. You know what I mean? So for now, still we are doing the best we can do. You know what I mean? Continue supporting us, please and thanks. And spread the news, spread the word. You know what I mean? We there try fight feet. You know what I mean? We want next generation to come, take it from power left here and push it further. We don't want the bad mind vibes tonight, because I come with bad mind already, we see it. You know what I mean? They come with it, like black people just have a tendency to want more than what them can really chew and fight against one another. We're not depend on that. You know what I mean? We depend on upliftment, forward movements, you know what I mean? Forward thinking. You know what I mean? Miss Williams, look up yourself, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Empress G.